Good morning, Assessor. My name is Julius Cashiliar. I will demonstrate how to assist the patient in medication. Then, definition, assisting in the patient in medication. Then the purpose is to ensure that the patient receive the proper medication. First, wash my hand and sanitize and wear my glove. Next, I prepare the material such as glass of water, clean cloth, afloxacin, vitamin B complex, metformin, 3, prescription, and choline. Next, knock the door. Knock, knock. Good morning, Mr. Smith. My name is Julius Cashiliar, your first aider caregiver. I will assist you to your medication. First, close the privacy curtain, check the lock of the bed, and up the head of the bed. Are you comfortable with your position?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Then, if unconscious, check the bracelet, his name. If conscious, ask her name. Okay? Then, put the white cloth on the chest. First, check all the materials in this prescription. Okay. Then before you give the medication, state the thing right of medication. 1, write medication, write dose, write row, write time, write patient, then write to information, write to refuse, write to review, write privacy, and write education. Then, first, then take the medication. First, Mr. Smith, this is vitamin B complex to maintain your nervous system. Okay. Can you open your mouth? Okay, thank you. Next, this is Mr. Smith. This is your metformin to lower your blood sugar. Okay, thank you. Next, after oral medication, next is air medication. Then transfer the towel to the left side chest, to the shoulder. Then tilt the head of the patient to the other side. Mr. Smith, these are afloxacin to use to treat the inflammation and wax build up. The air, pull and back. Then drop, then massage. Then go to the other side. Tilt the head of the patient to the other side. Then pull and back. Then drop, and massage. Then, remove the towel and observe any sign or adverse reaction or side effect. Mr. Smith, do you have any reaction for your medication? No? Okay, thank you for your cooperation. After that, back to lower bed, head of the bed. Then, open the privacy curtain. Check around the bed. Then, give the call light. Mr. Smith, this is your call light. If you have any assistance or any concern, please call the button. Then, the doctor care, I will clean all the materials and remove my glove, wash my hand and sanitize, and I will document into my care plan, assist the patient in administration of medication done.